So today we're going to talk about the beloved castor oil pack. Castor oil comes from the castor bean to basically make this oil. Castor oil acts as a lubricant. Say that 5 times fast. Meaning that when you apply it externally, it stimulates blood flow to the area. So commonly it's used in the cosmetic industry. It's used for things on the scalp to help stimulate hair growth. So why would we recommend castor oil, and why is it beneficial for you? Well, specifically for detoxification and specifically to bring blood flow to the digestive tract and to the liver area, castor oil allows, when applied externally, blood flow again to flow to that area so that it can bring lymphatic drainage, it can bring nutrients, and ultimately blood flow to help clear that toxic waste. So castor oil is extremely easy to do. You can implement it almost anywhere at home, and here's how you do it. So you're going to, number one, you're going to take the castor oil, you're going to drizzle it lightly, on your pack. So I just go like this, just a little bit. And you don't want to saturate the actual pack the first time you use it. Because over time, you want to apply oil cautiously over time because castor oil can stain. So you want to be very careful with this. You don't want to wear your favorite t-shirt. You want to wear your old t-shirt like what I'm wearing here. And you slightly drizzle the oil just like this over time. And I apply oil, about once every 2 or 3 times that I use the pack, and slowly over time, the pack will be saturated with the castor oil. So next steps here. Next steps, we're going to actually apply the pack. Super easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the pack with the castor oil drizzle on there, and you're going to apply it to the abdominal area. Very easy here. For most individuals, you're going to apply it to the right side of the abdomen, right here, and you're going to just hang out. You're going to put a t-shirt over. Some people go to bed with it, again, using some old sheets or just being aware that it could stain. You're going to apply it and hang out for at least an hour. Ideally, we like to see the pack on for at least an hour. Some people like to apply a warm water bottle to it, which can bring heat, which can also stimulate the blood flow. So contraindications and what you should be careful of is, number one, for women, if you're menstruating, it's possible that this could potentially cause some problems. So we like to stay clear of that. So if you're actually bleeding during your menstrual cycle, a castor oil pack is potentially, not always, potentially contraindicated, meaning you shouldn't do it. Besides that, you should do it as much as you want. Castor oil is one of those things that the more you do it, the most benefits you'll receive. So don't hesitate. It'll allow for your constipation to improve. It'll allow for your liver to detoxify. Extremely easy tool that you can use at home.